A lot of people are making it big on YouTube, and yet they don't let us know. Today, I'll be talking about a secret niche on YouTube, and this niche is blowing up every day, every blessed day. My first dive into this niche was just a video I used to test run, and lo and behold, within a day, in a small channel of about less than 30 subscribers, that video got about 70 something views. And I was like, wow, so meaning YouTube is secretly pushing this particular niche. And a lot of people do not even know about this particular niche. Guys, today I'll be talking about the gaming niche. I'll be revealing to you everything you need to start the gaming niche. How to begin, and how to eventually start your gaming niche. And guys, I want to burst your bubble. It is one of the simplest niches to run on YouTube. I used to see a lot of people who live stream on gaming, who post gaming videos. I used to always wonder, God, man, this guy should be super experts in video editing. This guy should be gurus. You should have so many requirements. But I just discovered that it takes nothing to start a gaming niche. And guys, let me reveal the truth to you. Beginning a gaming niche only requires your idea. It requires $0 and no equipment. Welcome to the gaming niche. Today in my video, I'll be talking about how to start a gaming channel. Have you wondered that starting a gaming channel requires a lot, like having a fancy PC, a capture card or an expensive microphone? Guess what? You don't. In fact, you start a gaming channel today with $0. Just what you already have is what you need. Most new creators believe that without a professional setup, their channel will fail. But the truth is, most successful gaming channels started with only a phone or a basic laptop. Many even started with just phones. What matters is not the jar. What matters is your creativity, your consistency, and your personality. So what do you actually need to begin a gaming channel? You just need three things to begin a gaming channel. And one of those things you need is a device to play games. And that device to play game could be your phone, your PC, and as well your console. And number two, another device you need is a way to record your games. One of the ways to record your game, you could use built-in screen recording that is already in phones. Most phones have screen recording. If your phone is not having a screen recorder, you can go to the Play Store and download a screen recorder. And when you play the games, the screen recorder captures what you are playing and records. And number three thing is editing skill. Alright, just simple basic editing skill, like giving the video a touch, touching the brightness, of the video, so many other things, like fitting the video to the screen. Normally, the normal requirement for YouTube is the landscape format 16:9. So those are just little requirements you need to begin. It's just simple basic editing skills, and not really complex basic editing skill. And as well, you need video editing apps installed on your mobile phone or on your PC. On your mobile phone, if you are using your mobile phone to edit and to shoot, and on your PC, if you are using your PC to edit. Alright, and probably you are using a camera to shoot. And you can use apps like CapCut, VN, DaVinci Resolve to polish your videos. Like particularly me, I use InShot app. Right. Now you may be thinking, but I don't have a mic. The truth is you don't really need a mic. You don't need a mic. Don't worry. Your earphone that is already built in is enough, and that's a good starter. Later on, as your channel grows, you know, you can now upgrade step by step. Start simple and then improve and go get a mic. The truth is this: once you've recorded and edited, you upload directly to YouTube, even if you are not even able to do a voiceover on that particular video. So, and the main thing is that you just have to be consistent. Even if you are posting once a week, make sure that at that particular time, at that second, at that minute, and at that day, you release videos. And you don't also need flashy effects to actually grow. All what you need is just to keep on showing up, keep on improving. Are you getting it? And connect with your audience. So stop waiting for the perfect setup, because the truth is this: the perfect setup does not exist. It doesn't exist. The best time to start your gaming channel is right now. And every big creator you see today started with nothing. If they could do it, then it shows that you can actually do it. And guys, I want to bring you the good news. I finally began my gaming channel with $0 and zero ideas. I get it. Alright, how did I even start my gaming channel? I started my gaming channel, by just conceiving an idea. I see a lot of people going into the gaming channel. I was like, wow, I could also do this. And guys, I would like you to go to that channel and go and subscribe. Just first search for Peter's Gaming. Peter's Gaming. Peters. Peter's Gaming on YouTube. And I've properly optimized this. Once you search, it's going to pop up immediately. And guys, I would like to crave your indulgence to go and subscribe to my gaming channel on YouTube. So guys, watch how I began my gaming channel, how I started, or what I did. I just did simple basic things, optimization and all of that. And good to go. I dropped my first video today, guys. And I would like you to go and watch my first video. And it is on the asphalt nitro. I getting it? Alright, go and watch that particular video. So guys, if you are thinking of starting a gaming channel, I think this video is for you. With every steps and with everything I've mentioned today, you can actually have the final motivation to begin your gaming channel. So go right away and start up your ideas. And guys, I see you at the top. Thank you for watching this video. And I'd like you to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next post.